In this video, we'll demonstrate how to limit the charging to 80% on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Battery health is a crucial aspect of smartphone longevity, and optimizing your charging habits can significantly extend the lifespan of your device's battery. Enabling charging optimization on your phone can help prevent your battery from losing its capacity. This feature is especially useful for those looking to keep their phone's battery in top shape over the long term. Start with unlocking your phone and navigating to the home screen. Locate the Settings app on your device. It's usually represented by a gear or cogwheel icon. Tap to open it. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Battery among the list of options. Tap on Battery to proceed. Within the battery settings, look for Battery Health and Charging options. This is where you can manage your battery's charging behavior. Tap on this option. Inside the Battery Health and Charging section, you'll find various options related to charging optimization. Locate and select Charging Optimization. By default, your phone is likely set to optimized battery charging, which helps extend battery lifespan by charging your phone to 80% and then slowing down the charging rate. To ensure your battery retains its capacity better, tap on this option. You'll now see a list of charging percentages that you can choose from. To charge your phone to only 80%, preventing overcharging and thus preserving battery health, select 80% limit. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.